Good evening, everyone. My name is Jane. I'm back today again with another topic, lowest common multiple. What is lowest common multiple? It's the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of 2 or more given numbers. In case you don't know what is integer is a number that is not a fraction. Just a whole number. It can be 2, 4, 7, 20, 100. As long as it's not a fraction, it is called an integer. Okay, we have 2 questions today. The first one is find the LCM of 60 and 80. And the second one is find the LCM of 12, 24, and 36. We're going to solve it together now. Number 1. We have 60 and 80. Draw your table. Which number is the smallest number that can go into 60 and 80 without a remainder? It must be without a remainder. We have 2. Apart from 1, we have 2. If 2 go into 60, how many times? 30 times. 2 into 80, 40. Which other number can go into 30 and 40 without a remainder? Still 2. 2 into 30, we have 15. 2 into 40, we have 20. Which other number can go into the both of them? 2 cannot go into 15, but 2 can go into 20. So we'll go with 2. 2 into 15, it can't. It will have remainder, so we bring down the 15. Then 2 into 20 is 10. Another number again that can go is 2. 2 can go into 10. So 2 into 15, it's going to have a remainder, so we'll bring down 15. Then 2 into 10, we'll have 5. Which number can go into the 2 of them? 2 can't go into 15 without remainder. 2 can go into 5 without remainder, so we'll go with 3. 3 into 15 is how many times? 5. 3 into 5, it can't because it's going to have remainder, so we'll bring down 5. Which other number can go? 2 cannot go, 3 cannot go, 4 cannot go, so we use 5. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. So to get our lowest common multiple, you multiply it. You multiply 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 5. So the answer is the LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So if you want to multiply, you start from here. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Then 16 times 3. Then you get the answer. You multiply it with 5. We'll have 240. 240. So the LCM of 60 and 80 is 240, which is a multiplication of 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 5 is 240. That is the answer. If you don't want this number to be as long as this, you can change it in a prime factor using the prime as 2 into how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to power 4 times 3. How many 3 is there? 1. Then times how many 5 is just 1 5, which is equal to 240, because you multiply 2 4 times, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then times 3 times 5, which is 240. So the LCM of 60 and 80 is 240. Then for the second question, find the LCM of 12, 24, and 36. Okay. Draw your table. we have 12, we have 24, and 36. So which number is the smallest that can go into it without remainder? Aside 1, we have 2. 2 into 12, how many times? 6. 2 into 24, 12 times. 2 into 36, we have 18. Another number 2 can go into this, all these 3, so 2. 2 into 6, 3. 2 into 12, 6. 2 into 18, 9. We still have our 2 because of 6. 2 into 3, bring down 3, it can't. 2 into 6, 3. And 2 into 9, bring down 9, it can't. It definitely have a remainder. So 2 cannot go into 3, 2 cannot go into 3, 2 cannot go into 9. So the number to use is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 3, 1. And 3 into 9, 3. Which other number can go into 3? Definitely 3. So we use 3. Bring down your 1, 1. Then 3 into 3 is 1. The final answer, as in the lower part, at the lowest part of the table, should be 1, 1, 1. You should have 1. Just like this one, we have 1, 1. This one is what? 1, 1, 1. So to get the LCM, we multiply what we used, which is LCM. Multiply the numbers we used, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24 times 3, 72. Our final answer is 72. Okay, if you like, you arrange it according to its prime, which is 2. How many 2 do we have? 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to power 3 times. How many 3s do we have? We have 2 3s, so it's 3 raised to power 2. It will still give you 72 because we're going to multiply 2 3 times and 3 2 times. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So you check 8 times 9. This is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 times 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 9 is equal to what? 72. So this is our answer for today. Please, in case you have any question, please ask. You are free to ask your questions in the comment section. Trust me, I'm going to reply you. Have a nice day. Bye.